Hello and welcome to the tutorial on Excel Solver. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can install Excel Solver on Mac. So grab a mug of coffee and let us get started. Let's start opening Excel and creating a blank workbook. Click on Tools at the bar on top. Then, choose the option Excel Add-ins. A window will pop on your screen. Check the box Solver Add-in and press OK. Go to the Data tab at the bar on top and voila! You see that the Solver is now available. I hope this video helped you to install Excel Solver. In this playlist, I'll be posting videos demonstrating how to solve typical OR problems like transportation, assignment, and the shortest path. So stay tuned to our upcoming tutorials.